we doing?
Fantastic.
How about you, Julie?
I'm sitting here like stressing out. Yeah, we're great.
You guys ready?
Yes.
Whose idea was this?
I was all about it when I was 20. I turned 50 in 2.5 weeks, and it's my last chance.
Happy early birthday.
Thanks.
And this is just gonna reignite that fire. You're gonna be out here every weekend.
I might actually.
So after this one, we're going 3 more times a day. You ready?
Yeah. I'm an adrenaline junkie at heart. It's just been a while.
She's gonna do great.
You guys are gonna have so much fun. You ready to watch her?
Wait, why did I go first?
Let's go. Yeah, Julie!
Oh my
Yeah, Julie!
How do you do that?
That's perfect. What do you think?
Oh my god, that was so crazy.
What's your
That
favorite
was
part?
awesome. I don't know. I like the twirling and the
parachute?
upside down coming out. Yeah, my ears are so plugged. I'm probably like yelling right now.
Hell yeah! Thank you guys so much for seeing us.
We're still on video.
Yeah. Anything you want to say to anybody back home?
Love you guys.
Yeah.
Love everyone.
Come do it, right?
We're coming. Yeah, come do it. Definitely.